Wake up with insurance news at 6:30 a.m. only on Insurance Alerts. We are India's largest and Asia's second largest, most dedicated insurance news platform. We have a reach to over 1.5 lakh of people, which includes 1.2 lakh of insurance agents from 200 towns. Insurance Alert now spreads to over 20 countries. So you can now download our mobile app from the Play Store, or you can visit our website at www.insurancealerts.com.
Welcome to Insurance Alert broadcast. I'm Vivek Jain here. Budget is just out 2 days back. To know the reaction from health insurance and health industry as such, we have with us Dr. Jaiswal from Ericsson TPA, and we will find out from him what he thinks about the budget, the advantages and disadvantages. So let's talk to him. Welcome, sir.
Thank you, Vivekji, and very good evening to all of you, as well as congratulations on our new budget, the new budget which has come. So the world is very much seeing towards this budget. As your first question, that what is the reaction? So reactions, I can say reaction is very positive. Our share market, BSE, NSE, they have already shown the positiveness towards this budget. In case of health insurance and as a TPA, what I can say ki this budget, which has increased the FDI from 49% to 74%, there was a little, to first analyze the implementation of 49%, which has been already done, where the industry has really utilized that or not. See, just opening the door for anything is fine. You are showing your openness and readiness to accept the change, which even we all Indian players are ready. But we have already opened the door as 49%. And we have not seen the complete maturity in that. Vivekji, if you see, the last time when from 26%, the bar has been raised to 49%. Have you noticed that there is a rush of the foreign players? No. So 74% is also a welcome move, but 49% was supposed to be analyzed better. Whether really it has played, it has shown its presence, it has changed the market or not, then only we can open the 74%. Now, when 74% has come, still the presence of Indian player is always required. So any foreign players, any foreign investment which will come in the insurance sector, it is a welcome move. It will be for the growth of the industry. But at the same time, how many people are in queue? That was only one thing which was supposed to be analyzed. But anyhow, it is a better move. So let us see the future, what it brings. And we all are excited to see more players coming in the market, giving their better services, sharing with their experience, bringing some new technology, bringing some new platform to work. So we are also delighted.
And industry, health industry as such, because a lot of things has been announced for that.
Yes, that is a very good move. And now I can tell you that health industry is not going to see a decline turn. Year 2020, the Corona year, it has taught the whole world, either a poor country or developed country like America, or developing country like Asia, India, every country have got affected. They have understand the benefit of health insurance. And I'm telling you, now there is very less effort required to convince any person to go for health insurance. So this trend is going to increase and increase only. And such kind of government steps will definitely give more boost, more speed in people getting health insured.
Fine. Great, sir. So thank you very much, sir, for your time.
Thank you. This is my personal view. Vivekji, this is my personal view. So it has not to be taken with anything else, but this is a personal view which I have shared with you as a TP expert. So the rest of the things in your hand. Thank you.
Absolutely, sir. Thank you very much. Nice talking to you.
Thank you.
Bye, sir.
Want to see the best videos of insurance industry and interviews with the CEOs, CMOs, COOs, CDOs of insurance companies, brokers, TPAs. There's only one way you can look it up to. That is Insurance Alerts broadcast channel on YouTube. So you better subscribe to our channel, you visit and get notified with all of our new videos on insurance.